Welcome to or welcome back to the channel. If you've ever imagined winning the lottery, it might not actually be about money. For many people, the fantasy of sudden wealth, it isn't greed, it's relief. It's the moment where the pressure finally stops, where the bills are handled, where the future feels certain, where you can finally exhale. And if money has ever felt tied to survival in your life, that longing makes sense. Because when safety feels uncertain, the nervous system looks for the fastest path to relief. And the lottery represents instant certainty, instant rescue, instant regulation. No more grinding, no more bracing, no more feeling behind. And if you've ever thought, if I just won the lottery, everything would finally be okay, that thought isn't foolish. It is protective. If you've lived through instability, for example, financial stress, unpredictability, or emotional pressure, money can become a stand-in for safety. So survival wiring, it just doesn't think long-term. It thinks immediate relief. So the lottery offers something very seductive to a nervous system that's tired. It says something like, you'll never have to feel this way again. So that's not irresponsibility. That's just plain exhaustion. Over time, scarcity can become an identity. Like, I'm behind, there's not enough, I'll never catch up. So when that identity takes hold, gradual progress can feel too fragile, too slow, too uncertain. Sudden wealth feels final, clean, certain. But here's something most people don't consider. If your nervous system doesn't feel safe now, sudden money won't automatically create safety. In fact, for many people, it can increase anxiety. So more money means more responsibility. It means more decisions, more visibility, more fear of losing it. So the real question isn't, why don't I win the lottery? It's, would my system know how to feel safe if I did? Because what the body is often craving, it isn't millions of dollars, it's regulation. It's the ability to rest without scanning for danger, to spend without panic, to plan without dread. So that kind of safety isn't created by a jackpot. It's created slowly through self-trust, through separating our worth from our income, through healing the survival patterns that once made sense. So real abundance, it isn't just about receiving more. It's about expanding your capacity to feel safe having more. So when internal safety grows, money becomes a tool, not a rescue fantasy. So if you've ever imagined winning the lottery, it doesn't mean you're naive. It may mean you've been carrying more pressure than you realized. That longing for sudden wealth, it is often a longing for relief, for certainty, for safety, and that deserves compassion. So I'm curious, when you imagine winning the lottery, what feeling are you actually hoping it would give you? Is it security, freedom, a reset, proof that you're finally okay? So if it feels safe to share, you can let me know in the comments below, because sometimes naming the feeling, it is the first step towards building it in a more sustainable way. So if this message resonates with you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. So until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.